Hey guys, here I am again, Germany Vlog. So today I wanted to show you how you apply a monetization of your YouTube channel. So guys, first you need to get 4,000 watch hours, guys. So if you see this one, because 4,000 is okay, but it's better you have more than 4,000 watch hours. This is very secure, guys. So this is now how you applying this one step by step. So just listen, guys. Here it is. So this is the first step, guys. You need to get 4,000 plus watch hours. It's always better to make more. It's necessary to be secure. So first, guys, click the apply now, and you would see this one, and scroll, and then you have to click the start, and this one you would read all of this one, and scroll, and if you have time, of course, you can all read this one. And I accept the YouTube program. You have to click, and after that you have to click again the accept terms. So you would see this one. The step 1 will be processing until it's done. So now guys, if you see, the step 1 is done already. So it's not really difficult. It's not long processing, just short, very short, just a minute. Okay guys, proceed to step 2. So guys, this is the step 2. So not started, so just click the start to be processing, and you have a lot to do this one, guys, to fill up the all your like names, address. So yes, I don't have an existing account, so I click that one, and then confirm, of course, and then your email address, what you're using, and I'm using this one, guys. So it will be, yes, send me a customized help and precision. So I click also that one, guys, and select your country, of course. So because I am in Germany, so I am searching for Germany, guys. So it's not really, so in Germany, so I have found, because I'm in Germany, so that one, guys, this one. So Germany country. So the step 2, guys, is not really it's not really easy. You need some other 2 days, 3 days, but mine is 7 hours. So you have to fill up all what is there, and I'll read, of course, that one. You have to read all. And yes, I have read and accept. If you have a lot of time, guys, you can all read that one. So just click the yes, I have read, and there does just click the accept account. So it will be processing the Google AdSense. So it looks like this, guys, and after that just click again. This is German because Germany the language. So now processing. So a lot to do in step 2, guys. So after that, it will be all you have to fill up: your identity, your address. Yes, that's what I said before. You need your postal code, all. Yes, and then if you are finished fill up of this one, so just send it. So click the send. Email address, of course, is very important, so just send it. And then step 2, guys, is in process. Okay, and after that you just wait and wait and wait. So it will be processing if you have all those what they wanted. So now guys, the step 2 is in process. So it is really long processing guys until it's done. So the others is maybe 2 days and the long is maybe 3 days, but here in Germany it's just 7 hours. So now guys, after waiting for 7 hours, it's all done guys. Not all, but of course the step 2 is done. Step 1, step 2, it's done. This is very important, the step 2. And the step 3 guys, this is automatic. It will be in progress if the step 2 is done guys. So it will be get reviewed if your step 2 is you have already done. So just wait until maybe 1 hour, 2 hours. The step 3, it will be processing not so long waiting guys. So just wait until the step 3, it will be all done. Okay guys, just waiting, in progress still. So now guys, the step 3 is done, it's automatically done, and then you have to go to your YouTube studio guys. This is my profile, and then I go to my YouTube studio, this one guys, and after that go to your content guys. So click your content, so always there, click your content, and then it will be all is there guys. So just put $1 there, so just on all of those. So this is all what you have to do, is just on, because before it is all off. So you have to on this one, so that all your videos, your live streaming will be on. So click the on, so and then save it. So guys, if you see, this is still off. I cannot on this one because this is made for kids, so there's no ad.